Did you catch that? That was a peregrine falcon. So fast, it's almost invisible to the naked eye. When this bird dives toward its prey, it can reach speeds over 240 miles per hour, making it the fastest animal on Earth. At such extreme speed, a human would instantly black out, but the peregrine falcon stays fully conscious and perfectly focused. The secret lies in its powerful biological adaptations. Peregrine falcons have a tightly controlled circulatory system that keeps oxygen-rich blood flowing to the brain even under intense G-forces. Inside their nostrils are small bony structures called tubercles, which slow incoming air and protect the lungs during high-speed dives. Their hearts are large and efficient, pumping oxygen continuously, while special blood vessels help prevent dangerous pressure spikes. Even their eyes are protected by a transparent third eyelid, allowing them to see clearly at incredible speed. All these adaptations work together like a natural fighter jet, allowing the peregrine falcon to strike with extreme precision without ever losing consciousness.